Hi, everybody, on a late Sunday afternoon. Boy, today was great, huh? I hope you enjoyed it. I got out and played some golf and really had a wonderful time. So far, it looks like the high temperature in Salem is going to be 81 today. And PDX has made it to 79. I'm not sure if we're going to squeeze out an 80-degree spot or not. I do have one significant wrinkle in the forecast for the coming days, and it's a Tuesday shower chance, which I did not mention last time we talked. This is with that system that is still primarily passing up in northern Washington and Canada, but it looks like there's a better chance that it might just nip down into the northwestern corner of Oregon and give us what mainly would be some traceable amounts of moisture Tuesday morning into early afternoon, or it all stays up to our north. Notice on my headline graphic, yes, we're still projecting temperatures around 90. In fact, growing confidence that we will be up into the 90s the latter part of this coming week. So those are the two big headlines. And I'm going to show you this graphic. This is Tuesday, midday. See the low? Here's the Washington-Canadian border. Again, all the colors like the red, that's what we call positive vorticity. It's little disturbances that swing around the southern edge of this low. So here's Portland, right close to those upper level disturbances, which heighten the chance of getting some moisture. Otherwise, we're kind of just on the tail south end of this as to whether we'll get a little bit of moisture or not. I do want to tell you, and again, put your hands together, PDX, thanks to the rain we had the last several days, 58 100ths of an inch. Most of that came on Friday. 58 100ths of an inch for the month of August. Let me be clear. But the entire 31-day period of August only averages 54 100. So August will now go into the books as wetter than normal. So how about that? That's not something we often do this time of the year. Okay, quick shout out to thank Todd Pisarchik's team at Momentous Wealth Management. They're a financial advisory firm to help you with your retirement planning, licensed in both Oregon and Washington. And they put out a wonderful catalog of different investment podcasts over the last couple of years. So look for the Momentous Wealth podcast, listen on Apple Podcasts or Spotify. Todd's become the biggest supporter of what I do with my weather network, which includes this YouTube channel. So I ask you to take the time and click and check those out and help support me and support my sponsor. Okay, let's get you going with what's going on. And we're going to start with Tuesday. I will tell you that tonight is going to be mainly clear. I think most of us will wake up tomorrow and Monday morning to sunny skies, or at least partly cloudy skies. And we'll go on to be beautifully sunny and warm into the 80s. Tomorrow, Monday, just looks like a great day. So I'm going to start. This is the same model I just showed you, that close-up snapshot, the American GFS model. And this is Tuesday morning at 5 a.m. So up here is that low, just coming over Vancouver, BC, and kind of nipping the northern part of Washington. And then it digs a little bit farther to the south. See the little disturbances on here's the low up here. Here's the little vorticity disturbance fields running almost down to the Columbia River. This is Tuesday afternoon at 5 p.m. So it's a slow mover. The model, some of them put out as much as, well, the North American model gives us 8 100ths of an inch of rain on Tuesday. The American GFS model, this one, gives us more like a trace to maybe 1/100th of an inch in Portland, mainly in the morning, but this could definitely be a shower chance, mainly for traceable stuff, I think, that lingers into the afternoon. Now, by Wednesday morning, that low is all the way over into Montana, and then we pull probably a marine layer, some low cloudiness and northwest flow pattern here on the backside of it on Wednesday, but Wednesday will be dry and a day that should clear out and give us some sunshine. And then as we go into Thursday, notice here's, see the 588 contour over California, Nevada, and up into northwestern Oregon, there, excuse me, southwestern Oregon. That's an upper level high. And this is the beginning, getting into Thursday, of temperatures warming just like that, back up to around 90, and then probably going into the 90s on Friday and maybe on Saturday. More on that coming up in just a moment. Here's a look at what the American GFS model is showing precip-wise. So beautiful day coming up tomorrow on Monday. And then notice as I play this into Tuesday morning, this is Tuesday, 5 a.m. Remember that low is up here, Vancouver, BC, Canada, kind of northern Washington, and that's where the best chance of measurable precip will be. This is Tuesday morning. This does collect clouds and under a tenth of an inch of rain in Seattle. Gives us maybe a tenth of an inch of rain up around Astoria and Long Beach. And then the rain chances continue to build into at least early afternoon Tuesday. So this gives basically traces to 2/100ths of an inch in Portland, down through Salem and down into Albany, probably not down to Eugene. But it does give a decent chance of measurable rainfall where you see green. That's Clatsop County, Long Beach, up around Mount St. Helens, and then again farther up to north. Pretty good rainmaker up here in Canada. You've got 6/10, over an inch of rain showing up there, just north of the Washington border. And then again, that quickly moves out Wednesday, and then all the rain chances go away, which is what we've been following. I do want to show you one more graphic. This came out several days ago, actually on August 15th, and I haven't shared it with you yet. This is the NOAA September outlook. And what I want you to point out is, so the reason that we've been having so many comfortable days in the month of August is that heat dome, that big upper level high, just watch my cursor, migrated back over Texas and even Louisiana and Arkansas. But notice what happens in September. That heat dome is the bullseye of these above normal temperatures, and it's all the way back to the west over the Rockies into Utah for a center. So that's close enough that it kind of nudges into us, and we could have at least a couple runs of hot temperatures getting up to around 90. We have one of those coming this coming week. Otherwise, it mainly holds us on the outside. We see the equal chances in white for Portland, Salem, and up into Seattle of the heat. But it's going to be close. It does give us a chance of getting some rainfall here in the northwestern corner of our state, so that would be terrific. We'll see if that comes true. Okay, the last animation, I keep itching my nose for that. I apologize. The last animation I want to show you is the upper flow pattern, 18,000 feet. This is the same model I've been showing you, the American GFS. So this is tomorrow, Monday, and we're looking beautiful. But here you see this cold trough, this upper low in blue, approaching us Monday evening, swinging, passing us to the north, but giving us a rain chance Tuesday. And then by Wednesday, it's quickly moving off. And then we get into Thursday. Here's Thursday afternoon, a day that could hit 90. I have us at 88, but that upper level high is now all the way over into Nevada. See the 591 contour, and the ridging is clearly shifting back up into Oregon and Washington. Models give us the highest temperatures of the week this coming Friday and Saturday, both days potentially hitting 90 degrees. And here's that ridging. Now, notice this low right here. The models differ on whether or not this comes inland or weekends and stays off the shore. Right now, I think it's possible that it brings us a cooler wave of moisture, but no rain on Sunday. This keeps it offshore. Some other modeling pushes it more inland. So Sunday right now will go dry. We'll break the heat. We'll hold in the 80s. But then the European model likes a similar low coming in Tuesday of next week. So a week from this coming Tuesday, and giving us a cooler little run of a couple of days and some shower activity, although other models say no. So ultimately, once we get past next week, this upcoming week rather, that Tuesday, Wednesday following Labor Day is uncertain, okay? All right, let's do what we often do. So these are 5 p.m. temperatures, 81 in Salem, 81 down in Medford. Quick roundabout across the Northwest. This is all dry. This is 91 on Monday, and there's that heat the back half of the week, nearing 100 down in Medford. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 97, 98, 98 if you're going that way. Let's go ahead and do the opposite and go up to Seattle. Monday, 76 degrees. I don't see a rain chance up there other than some traces of rain, maybe some early cloud cover early in the morning. But Tuesday showers absolutely up in Seattle. But by Wednesday, it's over. And then you're 74 Thursday, nearing 80 on Friday, Saturday. So much of the upcoming week looks really, really nice. How about Ben? I bet you this looks great. All dry, comfortable weather, Monday 85, 70s Tuesday, Wednesday, but then 90s on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But in Central Oregon, no, that's still pretty comfortable. Drier humidity levels, of course, and really, really nice overall. All right, what about Eugene? Let's click it and see what we got. Tuesday, some cloudiness. Remember, I mentioned down in Lane County, no rain chance, but cooler, 79, 81 Wednesday. And then here come the 90s, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, I don't think we have a rain chance, but remember that low is offshore. Southern Oregon. So there would be a better chance of a shower the farther south that you drop this coming Sunday. And that's what that is showing. Let's yeah, let's go ahead and show you North Bend. Now this goes all dry. How about that? 60s and about 70 degrees, 71 on Thursday. And with that said, here is my 7-day forecast for the new week, courtesy of Hazeldale Tire Pros up here in Vancouver. Again, they have been a longtime supporter of my 7-day forecast. They help fund the development of my weather site that I own and operate, portlandweather.com. So it means a lot to me if you can support my sponsors. Mostly sunny, 84 tomorrow, looks great. Tuesday, cloudy skies in the morning, kind of partial clearing during the day. I have an AM shower chance. I may rewrite that because I think there's at least a chance of a trace of rain into the afternoon, only mid 70s. And then that's gone. Early clouds to sun on Wednesday. And then here we go 88 Thursday, maybe 90, 90 or better on Friday and Saturday. And I like us cooling down on Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, it helps me out. Please do so. Thanks for watching. For now, from the Portland, Vancouver area here in Oregon and Washington, I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. Have a great week. I'll talk to you soon.